Oh, hi guys, this is Sarah. Welcome to Thai 101. Today we're gonna make snow pea with shrimps and dry chili pepper. Let's go make it. For this menu, besides shrimps, you can use chicken or whatever meat you like. And you can also add chestnut into it or even mushroom. You can use shiitake mushroom or champignon, okay? And if you want it spicier, add more of the dry chili pepper. If you like garlic smell, put more. So everything is adjustable to your preference. Okay, let's go make it. To prepare snow pea, you just cut the top and the bottom part off and then peel, okay? Then you get a snow pea like this. It's okay if you get a bigger one. In the state will be bigger one, but here in Thailand, as big as it gets, okay? In the state, the wing here will be wider, the size will be bigger, but it's okay. Same snow pea, same taste, okay? Don't worry about it. Next, the chili pepper. In Asian grocery store, you can find this size or the bigger one, okay? It doesn't matter. The bigger one seems to be like less spicy. So up to you. You can use the bigger one or this size is okay too. The dry chili, okay? Next, you chop dry chili with garlic. You can use a lot of garlic if you like garlic. If you like spicy, go ahead, add more chili, okay? This one I used only like 3 chilies, 3 or 4 only, okay? And garlic is about 4 cloves. Next will be shrimps. You can get the frozen shrimps and you can use that, depend on the size. If you want the bigger one, that's fine, but this is a small one because this menu is like a quick stir fry, so you don't want to waste time on waiting for the meat to cook. So the smaller size is okay because the key ingredient here is we want to showcase the taste of the snow pea, and shrimp is just like adding it to make the color more interesting. If you don't want to use any meat, feel free to put mushroom and chestnut, okay? That's go well with this menu as well. Next, we're gonna saute shrimp first. So just add a little bit of oil, cooking oil, and then shrimps. You don't need to marinate shrimps because for the frozen shrimps, it seems to have like a salty taste in it already, so it's okay. Just put in the pan and let it cook. It doesn't have to be like 100% cooked, just do it halfway, like 50 or 60% cooked only, okay? 4 spoons of cooking oil. Then you add garlic and dry chili pepper. Next, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 spoon, 1 or 2 spoons of water. You don't have to add any sugar in it because the snow pea is kind of sweet in itself. When the snow pea turn green, bright green color, that means it's done. So you just sprinkle white pepper in it. That's it. Really, really simple and easy. So let's learn Thai by cooking. This menu called ผัดถั่วลันเตาใส่กุ้ง ผัด is stir fry, ถั่วลันเตา is snow pea, ใส่กุ้ง is with shrimps. ผัดถั่วลันเตาใส่กุ้ง. So enjoy cooking.